So everybody now you remember last session. What happened last time? Please refresh me. Vishwas?
पण लास्ट टाइम चेक्सच्या काही केसेस घेतलेल्या.
चेकमेटच्या काही केसेस घेतलेल्या. ओके. And did I promise anything different? No. Okay, Urvi says fine. So today we will move to checkmate problems. But in that, I am going to teach you today the most primitive mate in chess. Primitive in the sense what most easy mate, perhaps. And this situation comes very often when you start playing. Very, very often. होतं असं की त्या सिच्युएशनला मेट कसा करायचा ते काही कळत नाही. कळतंय आपण जिंकतो आहोत, वी आर विनिंग, पण ते जिंकणं ऍक्च्युअल विन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करणं हे बऱ्याचदा डिफिकल्ट होतं. आणि तो गेम लोक ड्रॉ म्हणून डिक्लेअर करतात, कारण तुम्हाला डिसिसिव्ह विन हा काढता येत नाही. आणि टू ओव्हरकम दिस वी मस्ट लर्न दिस primitive mates. 2-3 primitive mates are there. Number one is you have to mate the opponent king with 2 rooks. 2 rook mate, once you understand, it is very primitive. And if you do not understand, you will feel how kitna hard hai. With 1 rook, it is easier than 2 rook. With single rook is easier. It is quite funny to hear this, but single rook is much easier than 2 rook, because 2 rook makes lot of confusion. It creates confusion when 2 rooks are there. So straight away I will go about it. Here everybody can see the board.
Yes.
Good. Now when 2 rooks are there, this is usually what is the position you get in mate and mate. Here see, this rook is guarding this entire line, and that means this cannot come up. Okay, and this rook is giving check for this entire line, so king cannot come in the line of check, not possible. So this is called as checkmate with 2 rooks. Everybody clear with your thumbs up? Any doubt here? Okay, now the same mate can be here also. Not that your king should be in this line only. It could be vertical line also. Here also. And here also. Okay, this much is clear. Now, when I showed you this, in every time I showed my 2 rooks like this. There is a reason for that. You will never find this position in actuality. You cannot imagine how this position has come. It will never come. Because this rook, if it is here, it is giving check. So when this rook came, it is really difficult to understand. Generally, this position will never come. Always and always, these 2 rooks will be in separate line, separate vertical line, I am saying, and giving check in a sleeping line. Again, this could be this way also. Still it is checkmate. Still this is checkmate. This is also a checkmate. This is checkmate. But is this a checkmate? Catching the line. But this is not a checkmate, since this can capture. So a very prerequisite of this checkmate is both the rooks should be safe. If they are not safe here, This is also a checkmate. But no, this king can kill this. So it is not a checkmate. Both the rooks at a safer distance only can give checkmate. If one of the rook is getting killed or having a threat by king, and now I am telling you about when only king is there and no other piece is there. But this checkmate you must understand. Now how to achieve this position? You know what is the end now. Ultimately, you have to catch the king in the last line, whether this line or this line or this line. You have to catch him over there, and you have to achieve this position. One rook giving check from the last line and one rook above this position. So we will see that how to achieve this. I will show you first a very simple thing. Okay. असं होतं ना तुम्हाला शाळेत गणित शिकताना टीचर नेहमी सोपे सोपे प्रश्न तुम्हाला दाखवतात ऑन बोर्ड आणि तुम्हाला सोडवायला मात्र कठीण कठीण सांगतात. होतं ना असं? सगळ्यांना होत असेल आणि त्यावेळेला राग पण येतो मनात, हे काय टीचर महाशहाणे आहेत. बट इथे पण मी तेच करणार आहे. ओके, मी एकदम सिंपल दाखवणार आणि तुम्हाला कठीण कठीण विचारणार. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. Here, if this is the position, now both the rooks are in a different vertical lines. So already they are in vertical line, different lines. So I am going to push my rook over here, giving check horizontal. Now this king will move. Why not here or why not here? That is the question. But I am moving here because it wants to capture this. That is a simple reason. Attacking. अकेला क्या करेगा? या तो मारेगा या तो मरेगा. तो चलो मार के मरेंगे. So that is why it tries to come near the rook. एकच स्टेप जातो ना फक्त. Now already you have caught this line. That means you have restricted king movement in this. This is the restricted movement. Board of the king. King cannot come over here. It cannot come over here. So once you have restricted, you may fail to give check with this, then that restriction goes. It will again come over here. It is in the center. Okay. So this restriction is there. You don't remove this restriction. You use another rook. Now, due to this restriction, king cannot come down. Not possible. And not here also, not here also. It has to move upward. So it is coming near the rook. Now wanted to kill this. So if you give check like this, it will kill. So that check is unwarranted, not possible. Here, what you have to do is simply take it away. See, you have kept this line with you. You are not leaving that line. Very, very important aspect. Now, this king can come over here. Again, this check is not possible, no support. So what this will do, this will also go away. Far away from the king. Very important is. This has no other option to come over here. That check, come over here. Check, come over here. Mate. Keeping safe distance. Social distancing is very important over here. Keep that distance and give check alternatively. Alternate checks are more important here, and that check should be safe. This is number one. Number two, here every time you will see the safety and not leaving the earlier line. You are not leaving earlier line. This is most important thing. Third thing is that all the checks we gave were horizontal check. here in this case. So once you start giving horizontal, you continue with that. If you give one horizontal and one vertical, the entire time, 1 year time also will not be enough for you. You won't be able to make at all. So this is what it should be in your mind all the time. So I have shown you a simple one. Okay. Now the difficult part. Now what we will do? First move. Can anybody tell? If you want to tell, you just raise the hand, no issues, and you can tell me. What will be White's first move? Yes, Vinit, you want to say something. Don't tell you your daddy. Tell me. Any suggestion?
Move rook to h4.
Move rook to h4. Fantastic suggestion, and that is good. Okay, any other suggestion? Good, Vinit, you can sit down. Soumya Pradhan, your first move is very important.
Sir,
Yes, Shubhankar.
move rook to e1.
Move rook to e1. Okay. So this is a vertical check. You are moving your rook this way and giving vertical check. Okay, that is also at this juncture, I will say, not a bad move at all. Okay, but I will discuss about it. First move was here and second move was here. Fine. Anybody else would like to contribute? Vishwas?
E1 मला पण वाटतं E1 is good.
Okay. E1, that means this rook. Okay, fine. Fine. अजून कोण आहे? किन्नरी? Aryan?
G1. Move rook to G1.
G1. Kinnari says, okay, this one. Okay. Shambhavi, Aryan, Aradhya, come on. You come out with something. Even if you are wrong, it is okay.
Sir, मला पण G1 वाटते.
G1 वाटते. Okay. Urvi, you are eating something? If it is chewing gum, you throw it. If you are eating normally, it is okay. Atharva? I am more emphasizing on always on first move because that decides. These are the deciding moves. Shambhavi?
So rook from h1 to e1.
Okay. So most of the people are saying this. Now I will tell you what is the correct move over here. Now, if you want to give horizontal checks like this, then these two rooks are first to be separated, either this way or this way. Or even this over here is also, they are separated. ऐसा किसने कहा है कि दोनों को बाजू बाजू में रहने? Nobody. Understood? So इनको separate out करना है. That is the first move. Here, this check is not bad, but again, where from this rook will give check? ये rook बीच में आएगा ना उसको. इसको ऊपर जाना है अगर, तो इसको ये खुद का ही rook बीच में आएगा. So that is why you have to, when you want to give horizontal check. But if at all you decide to give a vertical check, then they are already in a separate line. So this check is much better than this check because this is very near. King can come and attack. So this check is much better. Okay, and this check is also good. So we will go with this since you are giving vertical check. Now remember, next check will be, all next checks will be vertical. Then only you will be able to solve this. So here I played this. It is your turn. Please suggest white's move. Soumya Kulkarni.
H3.
H3. Okay, I will keep this aside. Next,
Sir, rook from H2 to E2.
H2 to E2. This rook to here. Okay, okay, I will keep this also. Come on. Next, any other suggestion than these two moves?
Sir, E2. E2.
I'm sorry. Okay, here. E2.
D1.
D1, that means you want to move this over here, D1. This rook over here, D1. Okay. Next. You have to come out with answer. Even if you are wrong, you have to try. Output has to be there. Wrong output is welcome, no issues.
Sir, D1.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, D1.
Okay. Aradhya, you haven't said anything.
I only said D1.
Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Urvi,
E2, E2.
Sir,
yes. Yes.
H3.
H3. Okay. So let's yes.
I did D1.
D1. Okay. So okay.
Sir,
Everybody has contributed something. So I will tell you which one is good. Here, the correct move. Already you have this line with you. That means king is restricted in this zone. Okay. So you don't want to leave this. You don't have to move this again. Now it is turn. This should move. And since first check was like this, then second check also like this or like this, but it should be vertical. So if you try to give check from here, this will kill because there is no support. So what you can do is that I am showing you crude method. There are shortcuts, but first crude method. Simply go. दूर लेके जाओ because the check can come over here. Next move. Now even if I come over here, दूर लेके जाओ. ये लाइन में नहीं रखना है क्योंकि इसको मूवमेंट फ्री चाहिए. So again I can come over here and you can start giving these alternate checks. It is so easy. Okay, this is the simplest way. What is the simplest way? इसको सिर्फ दूर लेके जाओ और वहां से वही vertical check continue करो. So this check was not good. As I said, first check you gave like this, and second check you are giving check like this, which is bad. Okay, so this is not good. This could be good if you want vertical. Okay, now there was one suggestion that somebody, I think Atharva told me to come over here. You know, this is
Yes, sir.
the best move. लेकिन इसको समझने के लिए आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. Here, what you are doing is you are not leaving any line, but you are supporting each other and keeping status quo. Now it is turn for black to move, and where black will move? Here, here, or here. Only three squares are available. So if black moves over here, you are catching immediate line. Okay. If black moves over here, you are giving check. It cannot come over here and not over here. Okay. Not over here. This can come over here at the most, and again you are in the same position. If king comes over here, और क्या चाहिए आपको? वापस नेक्स्ट लाइन जो है वो आपको नेक्स्ट लाइन कैप्चर करना है. अभी यहाँ पर चेक देने की जरूरत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट लाइन आपको खाली कैप्चर करना है. जो भाग ना जाए उसकी मूवमेंट्स आपको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस. मूवमेंट्स को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करना है. सो this move is a good shortcut, Atharva. Very good. This is a very good move.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And our crude method is problem ही नहीं है उसमें. उसको कहीं भी जाने दो. This is best. कहाँ भागेगा? उसमें कोई यही नहीं है. Check. 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 अभी ये यहाँ पर नहीं आ सकते हैं. तो दूर. इसके पास जाएगा तो ये भी वापस दूर. अभी इधर ही आ सकते हैं सिर्फ एंड मेट. यू अंडरस्टूड. लेकिन ये बहुत दूर की बात है. इवन यहाँ पर भी सी द सिचुएशन वाज लाइक दिस. इज हियर. इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस आई केम ओवर हियर. नॉट इजी. दिस इज इजी. सिंपली कीप लाइक दिस. नाउ दिस हैज टू गो ओवर हियर. यू मूव दिस. Restricting this and restricting this, so it has to go over here. Mate, less number of moves. Any doubt here till now? Any doubt whatsoever? Please tell me. Yeah, Shambhavi says. Everybody understands? Raise your thumb up. Urvi, what is the problem? Vishwas? Good. Good. Everybody understood. Vinit, I didn't see it. You understood better? Perfectly well. Now the actual problem will come. ये तो सब छोटा प्रॉब्लम था. अभी आपको मजा दे दूंगा. I have added one pawn only. How to mate? Because when you give check, na, this will move around. Check. This will move around. Check. This will move around. Check. This will move around. तकलीफ है. जब तक ये दोनों एक दूसरे से सेपरेट आउट नहीं हो जाते तब तक आपको उसको अटैक करना डिफिकल्ट है. नंबर वन. एंड नंबर टू, दिस पॉन इज अ फ्यूचर थ्रेट. Because you know the rule, if pawn reaches last line, it can promote to queen and then perhaps black will win. Possibility, I am saying just a possibility. 1% possibility. So how to go about it? You have to rejoin. Huh? How to go about it? So what could be your plan? You have to tell me the plan. I am going to ask this question to Vinit. Tell me, what will be your plan? You just have to tell. You don't have to tell me the move. See here, planning. First, you have to plan what you are going to do. And if it is not possible to tell me, that is okay. It is okay. Don't worry.
प्लान काय आहे तुझं विचारतो.
तुझा प्लान काय असणार? काय करशील तू?
या एलिफंटला इकडे करणार.
बर बर बर. विश्वास? शांभवी? आता काय, एक पॉन इकडे आहे, त्यामुळे या दोघांना सेपरेट आउट करायचं. त्याच्याशिवाय तुम्हाला त्याला मेटच करता नाही येणार. त्यामुळे तुमचा प्लॅन काय असायला पाहिजे, याला सेपरेट कसं करायचं किंवा याला मारायचं कसं. त्या पॉनला जर का आपण मारून टाकलं, त्याला बोर्डच्या बाहेर घालवून दिलं, तर उरलेल्या एकट्या किंगला मेट करायला सोपं आहे. आपण काय करतो नॉर्मल खेळताना देखील, समोरच्याला वीक करतो, समोरच्याचे पीसेस कमी कमी करत जातो. रिझन काय असतं, एकदा समोरच्याचे पीस कमी झाले तर त्याचा डिफेन्स कमी होईल. डिफेन्स कमी होईल म्हटल्यावर आपण जिंकू. सो सिमिलरली हिअर, त्याच्याकडे एक पॉन आहे, तर ते पॉन पण आपण खाऊन टाकलं तर प्रॉब्लेम मिटूनच गेला. सो सोपा उपाय काय आहे, पॉनला खाऊन टाकणे. हा ठीक आहे. सो हिअर द फर्स्ट मूव वुड बी दिस, attacking on the pawn instead of attacking on king. Attack on pawn. This is an attack. This is not actually you are doing it. It is not an execution. It is a planning. You are planning to kill this. Now, one piece is planning to attack here, and this is having support from the king. That means if you kill this, king will kill back. You will be losing one rook. Then how not to go about it? You want to save. So always and always, attackers should be if more in number. One support is there. So if you have got two attacks, one support kuch kaam ka nahi hai. Okay. So after this move, black has only two options. One is moving this anywhere, not here, here or here or here. It cannot move over here because this will directly get killed. Support will not be there. Clear? So, and one option is this. Clear everybody? Now, if black chooses this, simply attack, second attack. Now there are two attacks. Now if this moves, this will get killed because there is no support. And if this moves here or here, anywhere, still you can kill it. And now king cannot kill back because there is a support. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
So you have to now see small things. Actually, when we start learning chess, we first learn how to checkmate king. But later on, in later stages, you will find that how to capture a small piece or a pawn or win a pawn. That means we say win a pawn without giving anything. Winning a pawn is also more important. Later on, everything is okay. You win automatically. You win one pawn, you win. You win piece, 100% you will win. बाद में क्या हमारा करना है, उसका भी कम होगा, अपना भी कम होगा. धीरे धीरे अपने पास एक ही रहेगा और उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं रहेगा. This is the example of basketball में example देते हैं mostly. Basketball में I think 7 players रहते हैं, 7 aside. अभी आपके पास 7 player है and opponent team के पास 6 player है. तो अभी आपको जीतना इतना आसान नहीं है, not easy. 7 against 6. Okay, very difficult. Or even 5 against 4, it is difficult. लेकिन 7 में से आपके 5 गए और उसके भी 6 में से 5 गए, तो उसके पास एक ही बचेगा और आपके पास 2 बचेंगे. You will win 100%. वो अकेला किधर किधर देखेगा. तो same principle is over here. In chess, you have to weaken your opponent and you win. Everybody understood this? and you capture the pawn first. After capturing, the check is there, this will go over here. What will be the next? Away. Or even this was the check here, na? Just one step, that's all. This will go anywhere, then catch. Here, again catch. Here, give check. Here, catch. Here, mate. That pawn was the defending factor. Now, I am going to make this more difficult. अभी आप मुझे कुछ ना कुछ फेंक के मारेंगे, अच्छा है मैं दूर हूं. जो भी मारना है फेंक के वो आपके स्क्रीन पे. So what will be your first move? See, there are multiple moves here possible. All could be
Sir,
also.
sir.
Yes.
First we will capture the pawn of f5 and then we will capture the pawn of e4.
Very good. He has answered it correctly. Why this pawn and why not this pawn? Because this pawn has got now double support. Support from 2. So even if one rook goes to capture this pawn, rook to shahid ho jayega. Barabar, and still one pawn will be left with the king. Then it is rather difficult. You have to bring this reinforcement. This pawn is not having any support. So what you can do is that simply you can attack this way or attack this way. Any attack will do. Any attack. Let us assume this attack. ये अटैक में इसके ऊपर भी अटैक है and hidden attack on king. So here you are restricting the movements of the pawn. So in your notebook, please write what I am saying. When a piece is attacking, when your piece or any piece is attacking 2 or more than 2 pieces in one single line. In one single line is very important word, underline it. When your piece is attacking opponent's 2 or more than 2 pieces in a single line, such a situation is called as a pin or
Sir, can you repeat the sentence again?
yes, when your piece is attacking opponent's 2 or more than 2 pieces, such a situation is called as pin or skewer. मैं दोनों का डिफरेंस आपको बता सकता हूं. दोनों में लिटिल डिफरेंस है और कुछ नहीं. 2 or more than 2 pieces.